So good morning everyone. My name is Rishuraz and I am from BSCIT third year batch 2, and today I am going to present my topic customizing query. So the first question is why we need to customize our query output. So default column names often technical for normal people who don't know about the database, and it helps to make user friendly alias, and it is essential for professional and dashboard. And if we calculated on the some column, then if we see that the column name, calculated column name is does not mention over there, so we are going to for practical. So for customizing query, there are three different methods. The first one is assignment operator. So first we see our table. So this is our table. The first column is the department ID. And the second column is the name. So we are going for first method. Here we are going to define the first column as a department. Here mention department ID. We are going to give the alias department number and name for department name. So here we see that the department ID becomes department number and the name becomes department name. So second method is using space. So here also same, because we use same table. And the third with as keyword.
You specify there where is equal to, where is space.
Yes, sir. So in assignment operator, we first write alias name like department number and the column name department ID, and then we second column department name and then column name name. So use second method using space, we write simply a department column name and just side department number. And the third method with as keyword, write column name then as keyword followed by alias name. So in the here the result of the third method, department number and department name. And that's all from my side. Thank you everyone, have a nice day. So anybody have any query related to my topic, then ask me.
Nobody has query?
I have practical on your topic in my laptop, and I see you write department ID as you write single quotation, and I moved single quotation and same run as a department number. Please remove the single quotation. Method as keyword using and department ID as and use single quotation, and please remove the single quotation and try to run.
We're talking about which method? Method 1, 2, 3. Or?
Method 3.
So your question is I just remove the single quotation
And
Only single quotation, not the whole.
oh. But I have run this my laptop.
See, can you justify why the error has come?
So because the as
Keep the
keyword,
mic there.
because in the third method as keyword, so we syntax is the first select our table, then we write the column name followed by as keyword, then give alias in the single quotes. This is the syntax.
This is the syntax. Okay. But the unique.
Anybody else who can justify where is the problem? Yeah.
When we are using as keyword for customizing the display, if we want to the column name in a single word, then we write normal without quotation. But when we when we want to show the when we want to show the two words, then we write in single quotation. That's all.
I think it's clear. So if you're having a multiple words, it has to be enclosed within a pair of single quotes in order to show it as a string. And if you have in a single word, then there is no need of putting in the single quotes. Right? So you can write a simple word, or you can concatenate these two words by using the underscore. Right? Department underscore number. But in order to make the more readable, you have to write like that only, within the single quotes. Right?
Anybody has any other queries? Anyway, Rishu, it's a good presentation, and you need to take care of these things. Once anybody do the query, you should give the proper explanation. Okay, thank you very much for giving a presentation.